I've got some lovely weather. Lovely weather. There's a lot of floods. A few people from work have got themselves in a bit of trouble. I've come through here already earlier, but obviously I only just got through. Oh Christ, look out. Oh, there we go. Can't avoid them out. Sorry about that. Sun just let me through. Lock tumble. Just went out to Pit Lockery to go get a fish permit so I can go and fish for trout tomorrow. Funniest thing is, I said I'm going off on a boat. She said, oh, you can't fish off a boat, but I could be alright, just make out you didn't know. So they might tell me to get off, but I was going to do it today, but obviously this weather is just atrocious, so I'm going to go tomorrow after work. This is the weather warning we've got. It's not too bad here, but like I say, there's some bits what are bad, what are very bad. Like I only just got through about an hour and a half ago, but obviously I've got to get supplies. I've got a friend of mine, Chris and Kojak, Aberfeldy, they're in a caravan site, and caravan site's flooded out. Jesus. Flooded out, and their caravan was half submerged in water, so we've got a severe weather warning of rain. We haven't got the wind, thank God. We've definitely got the water. I think it's the tail end of some sort of storm like the United States have had. So shout out to Benetton. How you getting on, fella? Big respect to your channel. Yeah, if you want a nice talk show, talk about conspiracies, stuff like that, it's a lovely channel. Benetton, try him out, what an amazing guy. I spend most of my time listening to him now. He's quite interesting, quite an interesting channel. Tells you how it is in the good old United States of America and what goes on. They've got it bad out there at the moment. We'll just tinkle along. Oh, here comes the van. When they're getting through, we're not come to the bad bit yet. This is a beautiful part of Scotland. Heading to a place called the Tumble Bridge. So I've got my shopping, got my supplies. Steak and chicken I think I'm going to have tonight. Maybe some chips. Oh, I forgot my baked beans. Right, here they are. Yeah. Obviously this is flooded, we've got to take our time through here. Oh my God, look at that, he's gone right through. There you go, mate. Right, here we go. Oh my God, that's nearly over my bonnet. That is nearly over my bonnet, that was. Oh my word. Yeah, that was a bad bit. punch a little way through. Yeah, it was, so we're through the bay a bit, thank God for that. That was actually on the bonnet, that was. Merc's not missed a beat. Good old 3 litre V6 diesel, yeah. But a couple of years ago I was going through puddles like that, and a big truck come through and went right over the top. Just slow down a bit there through there. Oh, they don't care. Oh, just... So that's the worst bit of this bit. That was actually very deep, that. But we're still going. Yeah, the trouble I had a couple of years ago, I was going for big puddles like that, and obviously I got drowned by a vehicle. So when I was actually driving home, people were flashing me because I had the headlights were flashing, indicators were going. I'm alright now, so I had to get my ECU all rewired. Water got in the wheel bearings, that's what does it. Water gets in the wheel bearings, and obviously the grease mucks up, and then you've got to put new bearings in your car. But living in Scotland, you get quite got a lot of experience. Plus, I think it's too bad, I've got a boat and a bag in the back of the car, so if it does get too bad and flooded, I can always go in the old boat, mate. But this is T4 Adventures. This is how we're rolling in Scotland at the moment. Tumble Valley, there. There's another little bit here. There's only two. Yeah, there's only two other bits what are going to be bad the other side. There's a lovely little caravan site. This will be closed the end of this month. Trouble is with the old Merc, she's a bit low, the old girl. This is why I miss my van, mate. I miss my van. So the amount of volume of water we've got here, if obviously we're going to have snow come soon. Well, not soon, that'll be a few months away yet. Everyfeldy's flooded out. It's like a mate of mine, he's gone through a puddle and obviously sucked the water in, but look at that, look. That is high, that river. But we're still going, we're still doing it, yeah? Oh, so we're just taking our time, as we do. Look at that now, that river's honking, look. Oh, that river's honking. I'll just show you what this is doing. Oh wow. Oh wow, we'll have a little look at this. I'll just check the car. I'll just show you this at the moment. I'm gonna get water all over the screen. Oh. Yeah, we've got a lot of water. That is one angry river. Yeah, well that's the car. Oh, that is one angry river. Yeah, I'm so glad I never went fishing today. So we've got the permit for tomorrow. We're going to carry on. Right, we've got a couple of bad bits through here. Oh, look at that. Oh, look, he's lost his number plate. Teacher. He's gone flying through. See, people think they're immortal when they go through these. You just got to keep a nice rev. It's not too much. It's a nice little. Oh, it's a nice little wave, a wavy punt. But I'm only a few more miles to go. Let's just let this bloke through. see what's happening here. There he comes, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Right, let's just try it and let the water settle, I think. Right. Oh, we're still doing it. Oh, what was that? What the hell was that? Oh! This is not Mr. Beat, no flashing lights. My God. Oh! I've got another bit here. Oh, Jesus. Oh, we're going to stay high here. Actually, I'll cut. They're probably thinking, what the hell is that boy doing? Oh! Oh, it's Simon. Let's see what Simon says.
Hello.
That's bad through there.
Is it?
That's twice as bad as what it was.
Gee, I'm fucking smoking.
Smoking? I'll tell you what, you'd be lucky to get through there. I'll see you back at the digs. Oh, he's going for it, mate. He's having fun today. That's alright, it's just a hire car. That must be my inner wing. That's alright. Well, it's definitely a lot worse than what it was. But we're nearly there, people. We're nearly there. Well, I tell you what, any deeper than that, and I think the old Merc wouldn't have made it. I think that was my inner wing flooded. Got to be there now. Oh, you fucking twat. Alright, another deep one there. Sorry about language there. Right, another deep one here. That's just slow, slow, slow. Yeah, well, it was good enough. Siemens site manager shut the site. It's not that. His main concern is obviously people's safety and making sure people do get home. Some people have obviously drove to Glasgow. Oh, look out. Oh, look at it running across the road. Oh, he thinks this is bad. You won't see you go back there. Well, I'm glad I never went fishing today anyway. We'll do that tomorrow. We'll do that tomorrow. Oh. We'll do that tomorrow. Oh, she's still pulling up the train. Yeah, the old Merc's fine. Yeah, but times like this I wish I had my van, mate. I wish I had my van. know, just been slightly higher up. Oh, here we go. Oh, I want to avoid that one. We've got on the outside of this one. Wash the bottom of the wash the bottom of the car anyway. That'll be a case of getting new wheel bearings and whatnot, but we're nearly there. We are nearly back to safety. Hopefully get back before we download this. We're nearly there. We're nearly back to super. We're nearly back. I'll get a phone call from Simon. Can you come and get me? Well, we've definitely got water in Scotland anyway. Well, I'm going to ring off now anyway. Oi. And I'll catch you people later, yeah? That's me basically home anyway. Alright, God bless you all. You're an absolute legend. T4 out.